Breaking news again today in menopause. There was an article recently published in 2026 in the Frontiers of Endocrinology, and that article maps out the role of estrogen beyond the ovaries. We're talking about the gut-brain axis, and what they found is exactly what we see clinically. Estrogen does not just act in the ovaries. It binds to receptors throughout the body, the brain, the GI tract, the pancreatic cells, and even the thyroid. And that means that it directly regulates things like gut motility, intestinal barrier function, inflammation, neurotransmitter production that controls mood and cognition, and so much more. So when estrogen starts to decline in perimenopause, this entire system gets dysregulated. And this paper showed that estrogen deficiency disrupts the gut microbiome, it alters immune signaling, and it impairs communication between the gut and the brain. It also impacts central nervous system energy balance. And of course, this contributes to changes in mood and cognition and sleep and metabolism. So this is why us women, we don't just experience one symptom when perimenopause hits. No, we experience a cascade of symptoms from bloating to anxiety to brain fog to poor sleep to weight gain. The list goes on. Because this is not just one pathway that is impacted. It's a multi-system, whole body, systemic feedback loop. Hormones influence the gut influences the brain, and the brain influences sleep and metabolism. And once that loop is disrupted, symptoms compound over time. The paper also highlights that estrogen plays a role in pancreatic function and insulin regulation, which helps explain why metabolic dysfunction increases so much during perimenopause. So this is not just aging. This is the loss of a key regulatory hormone affecting multiple biological systems throughout your body. And this is exactly why hormone therapy, when done correctly, is not just about symptom relief. It's about restoring proper signaling across the gut, the brain, and your metabolic system.